Hello everyone. So let us discuss some MCQs of chapter organizing our work. Already we have done these 10 MCQs. Let us go ahead of it. So question number 11 is a folder may contain one file, four files, several files, or 10 files. So here the right option is several files. A folder can be compared to a container like a plastic folder. We usually store our important paper documents such as circulars etc. in plastic folder. Similarly, a folder may contain one or several files. So here right option is several. Question number 12 is Window Explorer provides detailed information about option A is files, B is folder, C is drives, and D is all of the above. So, Window Explorer is an application that provides detailed information about files, folders, and drives. So, here the right option is option D, all of the above. Now, let us go for next question. Wildcard are used to option A is search files and folders, delete files and folders, rename files and folders, and copy files and folders. So, as we know, the function of wildcard is to search a file. With the help of wildcards, we can search the files or folders. So here the right option is search file and folders. Which among these are the wildcards? And the options are asterisk, option B is question mark, option C is both A and B, and option D is none of the above. And here the right option is option C, both A and B, both asterisk as well as question mark. So there are two wildcards. Wildcards, as we know, these are used to search files. It is used for searching files. There are two wildcards, asterisk and question mark. So right option here is option C, both right and both asterisk and question mark. Question number 15 is files and folders can be deleted using right click, left click, both right and left click, or none of the above. So file and folders can be deleted using right click. Okay, select one or more files or folder to be deleted. Right click the file or folder that we have to delete. For that we will press the right mouse button, okay, and we'll delete and we select the delete option. So here the right option is right click. So next question is wildcard question mark. Now we have learned that there are two wildcards, one is question mark and another is asterisk sign. So question mark wildcard means dash characters in its place. One character, two characters, four characters of any characters. So question mark wildcard means one character at its place. Okay, suppose question mark dot asterisk. It will search for files having one character long file name with any extension. If two question marks are there, question mark, again question mark, dot dox, so it will search for all doc files having two alphabets, two characters in its file name. So the wild character question mark, wildcard question mark means one character in its place. Next is asterisk wildcard means dash number of characters at its place. Asterisk wildcard means any number of characters at its place. Options were 1, 2, 10 or any. So asterisk means any. Wildcard asterisk means any number of characters in the place, in its place. Like star dot star. It will search for all files may having any extension. So star stands for any. Question number 18 is, with the help of this button, we can change the layout of files and folders. So, options are view, help, save and delete. And the right option here is view. So, view button present on the toolbar is used to change the layout of files and folders. The right option is option A, view. Question number 19 is, Window Explorer allows us to manage and organize files, folders, both A and B, and none of the above. So, Window Explorer, as we earlier have also done this, I will demonstrate it to you once again. What the Window Explorer is? Window Explorer is an application that provides detailed information about files, folders, and drives. It allows us to manage and organize our files and folders. We can use it to view, create, delete, copy, move, rename, and search files and folders. So, here the question was, Windows Explorer allows us to manage and organize. Option A is files, option B is folders, option C is both A and B, and option D is none of the above. And here the right option is both A and B. Means Window Explorer allows us to manage and organize both files and folders. Now last question of this session is, we can do following operations on files and folders with the help of Window Explorer. And the operations are create and delete, copy and paste, move and rename, or all of the above. We can use to view, create, delete, copy, move, rename, and search files and folders with the help of Window Explorer. So here the right option was option number D, all of the above. So now we have discussed 20 questions, MCQs of this chapter. In next video, we will meet with next chapter. Till the time you keep watching this, note down these questions. This will help you to pass your competitive exams also when you will appear for them. And like and subscribe the channel. Once again, I am showing all the question in sequence so that you can take screenshots of this also. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.